Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make your Spotify playlist private. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Spotify and select your library at the bottom. Once you have Spotify open here, you want to select your playlist you want to make private, and then select the little three-dotted icon next to the user icon in here and select where it says make private. Go ahead and select that. Only you and people you invite will be able to view this playlist. Select make private to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.